Now today, please take your time and go through these questions, and you are going to be given the new updates and likely areas for this coming 2026 and the subsequent WASSCE examination. We are going to look at the first question, number 21, and the question will say a salesman salary is $240 per week plus a commission of $20. For every piece of product must be sold to earn a total of $540 per week. So we are supposed to find how many pieces of product will be sold to earn the $540. So from here, you see that what you have to do is that we know that his salary is 240 plus a commission of $20 on X quantity of product that he sells. That will give him, so let's use X as the total pieces or the pieces of product that he sells. And then that total will give him $540. Now let's do the arithmetic. So let's say you have 20x is equal to 540 minus 240. Now, when you do the arithmetic here, we really like to have 20x is equal to 300. Dividing both sides by 20, we are going to have x is equal to 15. So our answer is C. Now, let me give you an update. Please, if you look at this question is most of the time profit and loss and also can be found under rates. So please concentrate on this area. Now look at the next question. What will be the result when the numerator of 75 over 50 is decreased by 25 and the denominator is decreased by 20%? So the first thing is to get the various reduction values for the numerator and that of the denominator. So let's look at the numerator is for 25%. So 25% of 75. So let's use our calculator. That's going to be 25 divided by 100 times 75. And that will give you 18.75. Okay, so that will give you the 18.75. Now let's get the reduction. So we have to subtract these 18.75 from the 75 because it has been reduced. So 75 minus 18.75. So when you do the reduction, you are going to get 56.25. Now let's do that for the 20% on the 50. So 20% of 50 mean 20 divided by, right? 20 divided by 100 times 50. You all know that it's going to give you 10. So you have 10. So when you reduce it by 10, that means you are going to have 50 minus 40. 50 minus 40. Remember, the 25% will give you 50 minus 10. That is going to give you 40. So 40. Now we're now going to have reschedule the fraction. So we are going to have the numerator 56.25 over 40. So when you divide 56.25 divided by 40, you end up getting the value to be 1.4025. 1.4025. And that answer is A. Now let's move on to the next part of the question. Question 23. It says the angle in the sector of a circle radius 3 centimeter is 150 degrees. Find in terms of pi the length of the major arc. So when you have this particular circle and the given sector, the angle here is 150. So what will be the angle here? We all know that the total angle of a circle is 360 degrees. So you subtract 360 minus 150. Okay, so when you subtract the 360 minus 150, you are going to get the value to be 210. Now we want the length of this major arc, and you know the formula for the length of an arc is L is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Now here we have been restricted that we should represent our answer in pi. So for this reason, we are going to just do the substitution. The length is equal to the 210 over 360 times 2 times the 3 pi. So 210 divided by 360 will give you, let's say 0.58333 times 6 pi. So times 6, that's 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is going to give you 6, so times 6 pi. That will give you the value. So let's do that. Let's do that quickly. So we have 210 divided by 360 times 6 times 6, and that value times 6 will give you 3.5 pi. And what was the answer? B. Now, I think that for you to also have a progress on the question, question number 24 is for you as a trial test. Please work it out, send your solution to the comment section, and we progress. Now the update. Now for WASSCE currently, one of the areas that have been dropping that you should have to note is circles. Now the circle theorem have two aspects. The one that is under coordinate geometry and then that of the mensuration. So you should know what is a sector, segment, how to find the length of an arc, and then how to find the area of a circle. Concentrate also on cone, cylinder. Now also, don't forget profit and loss relating to ratio, and also profit and loss relating to fractions. So this is the update I want to have to share with you. Please subscribe, share, and click on the notification so that more updates will be dropped on this channel. Have a nice day.